This is the elevator at Ascend of Pittsburgh in the south side of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler HT elevator. Go up to 3. That's locked. 2 works. 3 is locked. Here, 2. This is a Schindler 330A. Back down to 1. I do not want the chimes to ring. Basic Schindler cab. This is a Schindler 330A. 88 phone. I wasn't sure if this is a 321 or a 330A first, so that's why I just said HT. But yeah, it's a 330A. You're back at 1. This is a small one. It smells kind of funky in this elevator. There is a rock climbing wall on the 2nd floor, but the 3rd floor is locked, so I'm not sure what's up there. MT Phase 1 fire recall. That's interesting. There it goes, and that's it.